Hello, my prayer Bible friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to make another little prayer Bible journal. This is going to be a mini notebook. And if you're new around here, my name is Brandy Reed and I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, prayer Bibles, and prayer Bible supplies. If you like these prayer Bible videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You never know what I'm going to create. Let's get to making this. Okay, so we're continuing our prayer Bible notebook series. In the last video, we did the A5 size, which I'm absolutely loving. You know, having all the different scriptures, being able to have my prayers all together, easy peasy, you know, to be able to just flip through and be able to have everything. But I got to thinking I really wanted something small to be in my purse because this doesn't really fit. I mean, it could, but it would be great to have a smaller version. Another thought process behind this is my ladies' church group, I wanted to be able to give them a prayer Bible for Christmas this year. And I didn't really want to do a full prayer Bible because I was afraid it might overwhelm them, or it can get very expensive for the amount of people that I have in my class. So I wanted to do something relatively inexpensive and quick and easy, and hopefully that they would enjoy it as much as I've enjoyed my prayer Bibles notebook. So I just picked this up at the Dollar Tree. This one has 34 slots or 34 pages, so I was able to put 34 topics in mine. Okay, so let's get to how to set this up. This was, again, from the Dollar Tree. You can get them from Amazon, especially if you want to do bulk. I saw that you can buy bulk of these on Amazon, so that may even save you a little bit more money. So they come in some super cute designs. If you don't like your front cover, you can always get some patterned paper and then just, you know, pull this little sheet out, trace around it, cut out a new one. So that would so you can change out your front cover. So what you're going to need are, you can either do this the free way, which is with the topics. There is 20 free topics in the Prayer Bible Hub with 10 scriptures each. You probably don't want to put all of those in. It may overwhelm. Plus, this is just supposed to be for mini. So most of mine have between 3 and 5 topics in each section. So you're going to want to pick out which topics you want. Again, there's only 34. You probably are going to want space to maybe pray for your family. I like to have my word of the year, verse of the year, and my vision board in mine. So those take up some spaces too. So you would want to put these in order and then you would cut out 4x6 cards. You know, you can use just pieces of paper. You can cut out or get note cards from, like, the Dollar Tree has note cards, and just write out the verses. Or, of course, because I like to make printables, I created a printable where it has prayers for family, the family topic, and then the scriptures, and all you do is cut around here and then stick them in. There is also where you can have, like, praying for a family member, specific family member. It has the word of the year, verse of the year, and your vision board. Also in the enhanced package, so this is part of the enhanced package if I didn't already say that. Also, if you're a Canva user, I gave you a template so that way you can put your vision board all on Canva and then print it out yourself. So then you have, you know, your topic and your scriptures. So that makes it super easy to create this because all you do is print out the pages that you need. You're not going to want to print out all 40 because you're not going to use, 41. There's 41 topics. You're not going to be able to fit all 41 in unless you have one that has that size. I mean, there may be bigger ones. These, like I said, I just got this one from the Dollar Tree. So you'll want to make sure you just print out the ones that you need once you get the PDF. And you don't want to do it double-sided. You want to do it single-sided when you print it out. So I'm going to do a flip through of mine. What I did is I took some Post-it notes and cut them in half and then just made a stack of them. So that way I could use this for my prayers. So like on here, we have the prayers for family and family. So I would cut this section out and put it on the left side. And then the scriptures goes on the right side. So you have daily prayers, and then this is the daily prayers verses. Prayers for gratitude, gratitude verses, forgiveness verses, and so on. Then I went into my verse of the year and word of the year. There's my vision board. Then I went into prayers for myself, so I can add my little flags for myself, for my husband. Here's for my daughter. Here's an example of how I use that flag. She has graduated from high school, so it's time for her to get a job. So I'm praying for a good job for her. And then these are the verses that I am praying over her. And this is like what I was talking about if you wanted to do it in Canva. This is a picture I added to it, and then the verses. So that's what this page would look like, you know, prayer for, and then I would put Brittany, and then I'd stick a picture up here, and then some verses, if that's what you choose to do. Again, same thing for the family one. I stuck a picture of family. I believe I added this one with the scriptures inside the template as well, so that way you could print out your family picture if you wanted. Like here's for healing. Here's my healing scriptures, and then here's prayers for healing. The very, very back is very important. Again, I always say you should have a spot for your answered prayers, so that way once one of these becomes answered, I can just drop it back here, and then that way you can see what God has done for you. And you can, if you're having a struggle time right and you're feeling like God's not answering your prayers, you can come back here and look at all the prayers that God has answered for you. Now, I have an answered prayer book, so this is kind of just my holding area. I have where it's a disc-bound system that has every year sectioned off for the answered prayers that happened in that year. So I'm going to put this back here because we have not gotten that answered yet. Now, I chose not to add flags or tabs to the sides. With it being small, I didn't really, and it going in my purse, I really did not want to have tabs, but you could. You probably, if you've made a prayer Bible, you have tabs, or I found these at the Dollar Tree, and what I did was cut them in half, and then I just rounded that corner, because at first I thought I would add some in, and I'll just show you what that looks like. Just right on the edge. So it kind of sticks out a little bit more than I would like. It's not that bad, but it's just a little bit more than I would like. So I think I'm going to personally leave them off and then just, you know, find the section, because there's not very many in here, and it should be pretty easy to flip through to find the section that you're looking for. So yeah, that is how to make this. I think this would make a wonderful Christmas gift, birthday gift, something to help your friends who are struggling with praying, and really inexpensive, and just to be a blessing to others, you know. I mean, just you know, you don't have to put the family section in, or maybe you could leave them a few open for them to pray for their family. I don't know. I just yeah, I just really liked this little section. I just really thought it was a cute idea. Like I said, very relatively inexpensive to be able to do as a good Christmas gift or birthday gift, or something for the ladies in your class, or just a lady that you know that likes to pray that may be struggling in prayer. So that is our thing. Again, if you want the enhanced package, I will leave the link for that below. It's also linked inside of the Prayer Bible Hub, the free hub, the YouTube hub. And you'll get all of these different ones, plus all the ones that I've already put in mine, and the Canva template. There's a link to be able to go shopping. There's all kinds of stuff in that in the free hub, and then, like I said, you can easily link to the enhanced package right from the free hub. So I'll leave all that in the description below. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if there's something that you would like to see for prayer Bibles or anything else, just leave a comment below and let me know. And I hope you have a wonderfully blessed day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.